Tired of feeling like your finances are out of control, struggling to keep track of where your money goes every month? In the next 90 days, you can completely transform how you manage your money and build a budget that works for your lifestyle. Stick around for practical, life-changing tips on mastering your finances. Welcome to 90 Days Better, where we focus on creating powerful changes in just 3 months. Whether it's personal growth, productivity, or like today's topic, mastering your finances. In this video, we'll dive into how you can build a personal budget that not only saves you money, but gives you financial freedom. Plus, we have a fun fact about budgeting that might surprise you, so stay tuned till the end. Here's the reality. Most people don't have a budget because they think it's too time-consuming, too restrictive, or simply don't know where to start. According to a 2022 survey by Debt.com, 65% of Americans don't even have a proper budget, leading to overspending, credit card debt, and living paycheck to paycheck. Without a clear financial roadmap, it's easy to get lost. But the truth is, having a budget can give you control, clarity, and a sense of security. The key is understanding how to structure one that works for you. So, how do you start? The first week is all about understanding where your money goes. For 7 days, track every single dollar you spend, whether it's on groceries, bills, or that morning coffee. Apps like Mint or You Need a Budget make it easier, but a simple notebook works too. The goal is to see patterns, good or bad, so you know what areas to focus on when creating your budget. This data will set you up for success, so don't skip this step. Once you have that information, categorize your expenses into wants and needs. The 50-30-20 rule is a great place to start. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings, investments, or debt repayment. This framework will help you begin shaping your financial plan, and we'll refine it as we progress. By weeks 2 through 4, you'll focus on creating a budget that reflects your goals. This is where personalization is key. Everyone's financial situation is different. Some are working toward debt freedom, while others are building savings for a house or retirement. List your financial goals. Do you want an emergency fund? A new car? Maybe start saving for an international trip. Write it down, because a clear vision of your goals will motivate you to stick to your budget. Once you have your goals set, take your categorized expenses and start allocating amounts. Be realistic, but firm. Don't deprive yourself of things you enjoy, but find ways to cut back. For example, you might want to reduce your entertainment budget and funnel those funds into savings. Make sure to automate as much as possible. Set up automatic transfers to high-yield savings or payments toward debts. This way, you remove the temptation to spend money impulsively. Apps like You Need a Budget or Every Dollar are great tools for keeping things organized and helping you stick to your plan. As you move into the second month, you'll start to notice where your budget needs tweaking. Maybe you underestimated your grocery spending or overestimated your entertainment needs. This is completely normal. Think of the first month as a trial run. Make adjustments, but stay committed to your overall goals. During this time, it's also helpful to take a deeper look into strategies like the zero-based budgeting method, where every dollar is assigned a purpose before you spend it. This ensures that no money is lost in the cracks of miscellaneous expenses. Now focus on building savings. The ideal goal is to have an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of living expenses. It might seem like a big task, but breaking it down and consistently saving small amounts makes it achievable over time. By the third month, budgeting should feel less like a chore and more like second nature. You've created a system that works for you, and now it's time to think bigger. Are there long-term financial goals you want to hit? Retirement? Investments? This is the time to start setting up for the future. Consider expanding your financial toolbox by investing in resources like Roth IRAs, 401ks, or index funds. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Additionally, tools like the Eisenhower Matrix can help you prioritize financial tasks, so you're always working toward what's most important. Now, let's talk about consistency. You need to stick with the budgeting habit to see the real long-term benefits. Reassess your financial goals monthly, check your savings progress, and adjust as necessary. Building this habit into your life guarantees that it will help you achieve financial freedom over time. Look back at where you started 90 days ago. You went from having little clarity about your financial situation to mastering your income and expenses. That's the beauty of budgeting. It's not just about limiting spending, it's about freeing up your money to work for you, helping you achieve both short-term and long-term goals. Whether it's paying off debt, building an emergency fund, or saving for something special, budgeting transforms how you manage your finances, reducing stress and providing security. Here's an intriguing and lesser-known budgeting tip. Did you know that the pay yourself first strategy, originally popularized by George Clason in The Richest Man in Babylon, can lead to exponential wealth growth? This method involves saving a portion of your income before paying any other expenses, usually around 10 to 20%. By prioritizing savings first rather than making it a leftover after expenses, you create a powerful habit of building wealth, ensuring financial stability, and even supercharging your long-term investment growth. Congratulations! You've come a long way in just 90 days. You've built a personal budget that reflects your lifestyle, aligned with your goals, and set yourself up for long-term financial success. Remember, this is just the beginning. The budgeting habit will continue to improve your finances and set the foundation for bigger milestones ahead. If you're looking to dive deeper into self-improvement, personal finance, and wellness, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos. From health and wellness to fitness and finance, 90 Days Better covers a wide variety of transformative habits. Chances are, you could be just one video away from changing your life for the better. Check the links in the description for tools to help you on your journey, and until next time, stay motivated and keep growing.